everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura, and today we are going to talk about the best bags for Disney World. Hello, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helps you. So today we are going to talk all about bags. We go to Disney World a lot. I'm about to take my daughter for her 12th Disney World trip. She's almost 5 years old. In a couple weeks, we're so excited. Number one tip for bags: the smaller the better, because you will be taking your bag on all of the Disney World rides. Caveat: Tron just opened up and I haven't ridden it yet. I will this summer, but I'm pretty sure they have a locker for your bag. Other than Tron, you take your bags on the rides, which is really great. You don't have to worry about things getting stolen or anything. So because of that, the smaller the better when it comes to park bags at Disney. If you are a Disney adult, like I was for a very long time until I had my daughter about 5 years ago, I used a little crossbody bag. I can't believe I kept this, and I can't believe I wandered around the parks with such a small bag. I did have like a point and click camera back then, but that went into my husband's cargo shorts pocket, which were big back then. The other great option, I got this for Universal Studios, because Universal, you have small lockers you have to put the bag in. So, but otherwise this does not work for me as a now Disney mom. But this is a huge belt bag, fanny pack, crossbody bag, whatever you want to call it. You can use it as a belt bag or crossbody. And this will fit so much stuff for Disney adults or women, and it works for men and women. I don't know if it's available anymore on Amazon, but I will link it below, and I will link everything I show you that I have. Like, isn't my beautiful t-shirt? I just got it from Amazon, so I'll link that below. So let's jump into Disney mom bags. So on my channel, I have a lot of pack with me videos and what's in my stroller videos. I will link below my latest what's in my stroller video for preschoolers. As you can tell, I'm an enormous Loungefly fan. I think I'm close to 20 now. When I first started taking my daughter, I was not a massive Loungefly fan, and she had just turned 1. We took her for her first birthday. So I used this as a diaper bag slash park bag. And this is by The Sack. They have a bunch of different colors, but this camo color is really pretty. As you can tell, I got some good use. So the reason why I like it is you can wear it for, as a mom, hands-free backpack, or also a crossbody. So if you want it right here and accessible for things that you need. It's a great size bag, and so if you're not into Loungeflies or you want a nice bag that you can use at Disney every couple of years and also in mom life, I highly recommend the Sack if you don't want a huge look of a diaper bag and something that's smaller and great to take on rides. In 2020, I finally bought my first Loungefly, and it escalated quickly 3 years later. And I bought the classic Mickey one. So the way my system works, and I would recommend for you probably until up at the age 8, is bring a stroller for your kid, maybe even later. And even if they're older and they want to walk around a lot, park the stroller somewhere in stroller parking. Leave your stroller bag in there with extra outfits, things that you need. And then at night, if they get tired, in the middle of the day they get tired of walking, you can always go back, get that stroller. And I've never had any issues with anything getting stolen, but I don't leave anything super valuable in the stroller. So with the stroller system, for older kids, I have my Loungefly with all my valuables. This goes on the rides. And then I have this, which is from Pottery Barn. And I usually use this as my carry-on on the airplane. It works great for that. I love all the compartments. And then this goes underneath the stroller. And I think these are, I don't know how much they are, $50, $60, something like that. They're great bags. You could use a cheaper cinch bag or something. You get those for $15, $20 at Disney. Those are great as well. I just like to bring one bag for carry-on and then put it under. Again, we've been going so much in the past 5 years and with this bag, and it's never, no one's ever bothered it before. And we use an Up a Baby menu, and it goes right under. First of all, I love this bag so much. It's on Amazon. The reason why I love Loungefly so much, your phone fits perfectly in these side pockets. There is one bag I have that has no side pockets. So I've taken it to Dutch Wonderland, but not to Disney parks. So this will probably be my daughter's bag when she's old enough and is walking around without a stroller. It also has a front pocket for things you need quickly, like your wallet, credit cards, things like that. And it's a really good size for all the valuables that you need. Once my daughter turned 4, I got her this little fanny pack from Pink a la Mode. It is a kid size and fits around it. And these are great to put little entertainment things. A camera, she loves her camera. I just delete them, it's an SD card. So things that she can do in lines to keep her occupied. She's in the stroller a lot, so she can't wear a backpack, but I imagine when she is older, and like I said, walking around more, she'll have her own Loungefly. And this is a real cute one too. It was very cheap off of Amazon with these patches that I ironed on. And this is too big around her waist, but she wore it as a crossbody. Our last trip, our solo trip in December. Those are my favorite bags to use at Disney World. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, be sure to subscribe. I hope you guys are having a magical day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.